Hey everyone, William here, and I'm showing you a site that I created in the fall of last year entitled Totem.fm. And Totem is a music community site that allows people to get into groups and share different songs, music that they would like. And so there's a live copy of this out on the web at Totem.fm. You can just go ahead and go to that and play around with it yourself, but I'll be demoing the main features of the app for this video. So here you can just see I queued a song. This is How You Know by Coyote Kisses, and so also what you're hearing in the background of this video. And I'll just go ahead and demo the chat, the video. Everything is syncing between the two windows just fine. You can see this is the primary function of Totem, is everyone's seeing the same thing. And so as shown in the tutorial, here's the main room screen. If we go ahead and go into the My Music screen, that's where you'll see your YouTube playlist and search. And this is the room list, or all the different communities that are on Totem that you can join. Going back to the main window that I'm in, signed in on, I can see my YouTube playlist that I'm viewing right now, and go ahead and queue a couple of songs from there, and then that goes ahead and the warning queue and indicator in the room settings will show you what's the next song that's going to play. And the My Queue will also show you a list of songs that you have queued up to play next. You can also manage some from there. A feature that's very important to Totem is its moderation. We want to make sure that each room is safe and people are hearing what they want to hear. And so one of the features there is the room blacklist. You can see that I just added a Weird Al to the list of artists or songs that cannot be played. And so if I go to the YouTube search and try to type in anything from him and add it to the queue, Totem informs me that it's on the room blacklist. So this helps keep any nefarious songs or artists out of your room. Another feature is the custom gallery, where if you want to add a touch of personalization to your room, you can go ahead and upload any image from your computer to set as the background image in the room. Typically widescreen things are going to look better, but I'll just go ahead and pick a couple from my backgrounds folder, and you can see that these backgrounds will show up behind the video and behind the chat and just sort of help set the mood of the room, and it can really be a nice touch. Also relating to moderation is the ability to appoint other users as moderators. So if I just go ahead and go on another instance of the site here and sign into my second Google account, you can see its name is Neptune. I'm just going to go ahead and go back to my main window where I'm signed in and go back to the moderation settings, and here there's a bunch of options, but I'm going to add Neptune as a room admin. There's also a autocomplete there so I can see the list of users and make sure I'm adding the right one. And I'll go ahead and go back to my other window and give that a refresh, and you can see that the room settings cog in the upper right hand corner has appeared for this account as well. Now I can go ahead and use any commands that I can use on both windows here. So the skip command works for any accounts that have moderation privileges, and so that's a really nice feature if you have multiple people that want to take care of a larger community. And of course, if we have a blacklist, we have to have a set of banned users as well. So you can go ahead and either through commands or through the UI ban a user from joining your room, which will prevent them from listening to the music or queuing songs or in the chat or anything like that. And if I go ahead and unban them again, then of course all their rights and privileges to the community are restored. Finally, if you want a little bit more privacy in your room, you can go ahead and enable a room password, which any user, either a guest or a registered user, will have to make sure to enter this password before they can join the room and even hear the songs that are being played. This is especially nice for maybe a private group at school or at work or anything like that. Thank you for watching this feature overview for Totem. I hope that you enjoyed seeing all the capability that's built into the site. As I mentioned before, there's a live version of it at www.totem.fm. Otherwise, the source code is available on my GitHub at github.com/williampdr.